Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a Yahoo Pipe for consolidating a bunch of blogs that you might want to follow. You can see that I'm already logged into Yahoo Pipes. I have a few pipes in my library, but I want to create a new one. So I'll click on Create a Pipe, which will take me to Yahoo Pipes Editor. Here there is the library pane, which has a bunch of modules that perform different tasks. This is the canvas pane where I'll build the pipe, and this is the debugger pane where I can preview my pipe and see if it's functioning properly. The very first thing you want to do is get some content flowing into your pipe, and to do that I'm going to use this fetch feed module, which is where I would put URLs, the URL RSS feeds for the blogs I want to follow. And depending on how many blogs I want to follow, I can add more fields for each new URL. And each fetch feed holds 10. So if I had more than 10, I might need another fetch feed, and I can add more URLs by using the plus sign there. Let me show you how to get the RSS feed for a blog that you might want to follow. I have a few up here. One is Smitten Kitchen, and in Safari, in Safari, it's always handy. The RSS icon is right up here in the browser window. You can also find it in other places. Sometimes it's a little tricky, but here it's usually on the blog up at the top somewhere. But it's very handy to click on the icon in Safari, and when you do that, you get the feed URL in the browser window, and you can copy and then paste it into the fetch feed field. And I can go get one more from Fresh 365, and here I can look. Sometimes it's the icon for RSS is there, and you can click on that, and again you get the feed URL, and you can copy and paste it into the pipe. Now, you could do a lot of these, but for this example, I'm just going to do 2. But let's say I had these full of URLs, and I would need to combine them somehow. And to do that, I would use an operator called a union module, and I could drag that over here. And between these dots, I can pull down connectors, which will aggregate these two lists of URLs together. Then I can also choose a sort module and drag it over to the canvas and connect it. And here I might want to sort by date and put it in descending order so that when the blog posts are shown on the output, I'll see the most recent blog post first, listed first. And then I'm going to connect that down to my pipe output. It's just that easy. Now if I click on pipe output, I'll begin to see the output in the debugger pane. Let me get that back up here. And you can see that it's streaming in just fine. How exciting. So the next step now is to save it and to give it a name. And then I can run that pipe and see what it looks like. And it starts to come out this way. This is the list form. And if I want to, I can take this, for your assignment, you'll want to take this, copy and paste this address into your participant's blog. But you could also get the RSS feed here and put it into your Google Reader. Anyway, that's how you make a pipe. Pretty easy, huh?